Hello, what is up everybody, RL57 here, back with yet another diecast car video, and in today's video we will be checking out the Tarmac Works Lexus LS400 UCF10, and this is made of course by Tarmac Works. This is a new casting, or they call it new tooling for 2025, and yeah, this Tarmac Works T logo right there, and also there is your car with the lovely city background right there of Japan, I think. Don't know where is that. Global 64 on the top, then over on the back first. So Tarmac Works, Tarmac for good, and also at the bottom right here, Tarmac for good. Today's Toyota official licensed product. Champaigne Beige metallic. Small size big heart, those are your socials. And made in Bangladesh. So I guess let's go ahead and open this up. Like I mentioned, it's a new casting, and it is basically one of Felix Kwong's favorites as well, from what I've heard. He, I believe, was about to own one of these, if I'm not mistaken. And it is a mighty fine, great looking car right here in Champaigne Beige metallic right here, with the sort of like matte silver rims, which are nice. Love the color that it comes in. Lexus. We barely see these Lexuses nowadays made by any diecast form or diecast brand or so. So it's a 1/64 scale, as you can already know. So it's nice. We have the Lexus LS400 colored in this champagne beige, like I said. Very nice looking color. So it's a 5-seater, I think, 4-seater, I'm not sure. More to like a luxury sort of sedan, sort of like a vehicle, which is nice. Yeah, the hood is not too long or anything. It's just like, it's more to like a Toyota Crown, but it's a Lexus form, sort of. But yeah, it looks great. Detailed headlights and rear lights with the classic old rims, which I do like. The tan colored interior, which is nice. Love the seats in there as well. Comes with rubber tires, as you can already tell. Very nice looking model, which I really like. So yeah, let's go ahead and take a close look at our Lexus LS400. So this released the same time as the Saab 400. If you don't know, Saab 400 Turbo. So here's the Lexus LS400. So we start off from the side. So you have door handles right there. Rubber tires right here, matte silver rims. Gas cap right there. You have 2 doors on this side with the black colored pillar, and here's the side, very clean. Plastic side mirror right here, which I believe should be plastic. And yeah, there is the side. Oh yeah, by the way, it's in this sort of matte color, matte paint job right here. So you do have some headlight details which are lensed and transparent. Detailed front grille with the Lexus logo in the middle. Blinkers, side blinker details right there. Lexus license plate right there. Very nice, very cool. Your front hood, there it is. For your interior, yeah, you do have a dark brown sort of dashboard, and also right hand drive steering wheel. And you do have like light tan sort of colored seats, which are nice. Moving towards the roof, you do have not a physical sunroof. Instead, they just colored it in dark matte black, which is interesting. And yeah, basically that's it. Over on this side, yeah, pretty much the same thing, nothing much is different. Yeah, regular windshield tint, by the way. Here's your rear window if you asked for it. And then over at the back right here, you do have your detailed rear lights, Lexus logo, Lexus license plate right there, Lexus text, and also LS400 with a single exhaust tip on each side, making it 2 exhaust tips on this car. So there's the exhaust details right there, very nice. So matte black base, plastic, Tarmac works, 1/64 scale Lexus LS400 UCF10, and yeah, I think made in Hong Kong, made in Bangladesh, yeah, remember that. So yeah, very cool to see. Oh yeah, and it's actually not screwed, it's using rivets now, so they did rivet this. Interesting. So if you're wondering, Global 64 normally does not have these brake calipers or anything, so it's expected that the rims are way less detailed compared to the higher range $20 models normally. So yeah, this car, yeah, I would say it's a very nice looking car to have in your collection. A great car with a beautiful color right here. I hope to see some more beautiful colors coming out in the future. Maybe we'll see it in black, in white maybe soon. What else? Maybe a dark maroon would be also very nice. Really would like to see that. What else? Would like to see it in brown, which is could be a cool color, I would say. Yeah, I believe those are all the colors that I could think of for suitable for this car. Yeah, a very nice looking Lexus right here. We barely see Tarmac Works release Lexuses, so yeah, this is a great one to have, and basically a car that I don't think not many diecast brands actually produce, which is actually really great. And yeah, overall that is all for me to say about this Lexus LS400. Once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. Some more videos, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.